Dang, check this out what's going on here in Bali today.
So I just finished work today and we decided to go to Ubud to show you how is Ubud at night. Okay, we just arrived from Vietnam and then yeah, this is a weekend and we just want to stroll around Ubud and maybe having coffee in Ubud. Let's see how it is nowadays.
It seems quite busy to me. Actually, check this out. This is like a walking street, traffic situation and everything. Actually, quite many people everywhere around. Some restaurants also seems very popular with people today. And that's the Ubud streets. Unfortunately, there are gaps where it's no lights like here. That's actually not really nice, but after that it's beautiful. The guy over there has a classic bike, but so loud. I don't think so. It's original exhaust, by the way. And this is the corner of Art Market. Art Market is actually at the front of us, and this is the King Palace. And well, all the action actually is going on here. Check this out. Quite busy as always. It's middle of November, which is already beginning of the lower season. However, it's still busy in Ubud. Don't be careful. And the people trying to, you know, moving around, going left, right to the center. It's actually a little bit messy here in this junction. So keep it in mind in case if you would like to drive by yourself one day here in Ubud. However, happy to see so many happy tourists walking everywhere around. Also the dance performance gonna be here in the King Palace and all of this stuff, of course, obviously. Oh, here is actually more action, little bit. They have some buggy from some hotel and all of these people trying to moving around. It's just actually really cool. Check this out. And these people actually walking between the motorbikes. Very brave indeed. And this crazy driver. And these people looking at me what I'm doing. And these people trying to moving around. And this guy trying to sell you the taxi. Well, we're just like Ubud is back, right? Actually, not so bad. And at the front you can see the construction of the art market currently. There is already the shape, how it can look potentially very soon. I hope so they're gonna finish very quickly because they're building actually 24/7, I guess. One more shot of the art market. I think they're gonna finish next year. Look, pretty advanced construction already. Winnie is checking menu for having some coffee and dessert maybe here. Check this out.
Ada
This
menu
is the
dessert,
Coco
ya?
Bistro.
Ada.
Dessert ada. Tak?
Let's see.
They have a dessert. Check this out. The crowd behind this end. Everybody are stuck here. Ali, don't block the way. Actually, everybody coming to this restaurant seems very busy. Check this out. And anyway, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the street situation. Other Bollywood, Indian cuisines and everything. There are a little bit gaps. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's quieter, but overall it's pretty busy actually in Ubud. As it's supposed to be actually. What's the plan?
Let's have a dessert.
Okay, let's go. So we decide to gonna have a coffee here and dessert. We have a nice table overlooking actually the full street. So we can make some nice shot and having observation how the traffic situation looks like today.
Actually that we can spot some tourists around. You see like even behind me, in front of us, you know. But the thing is that
It's slightly
crowds.
quieter, yeah.
The crowds, as it is not as busy as previous days. I don't know, maybe it's just because of the G20 summit previously, or it's just like the number of tourists coming to Bali are slowly decreasing.
Like I said previously, is the numbers decreasing actually. Not only of tourists, but also interest of the YouTube in Bali. So that means something.
And one thing, if I compare again about Hoi An, there was a pack of people, even like we couldn't, you know, like walk in the some street, like even in the bridge, you remember, right?
Yeah. And the Hoi An is equivalent of Ubud. Similar vibe, obviously. Even many of you actually agreed with me. The only difference is the Hoi An, there is no motorbikes, cars allowed. What actually could be nice in Ubud, somewhere over here. Thank you.
Makasih, Bu. Yeah, so we just decided to have a dessert here. Wow, what I can say, this place is almost full house. And yeah, it's nice vibe. This is how it is now, Ubud at night. Still, some tourists are here, but yeah.
Alright, that's our beautiful lava cake with coffee, of course, and it open. Let's see if they bake it properly or overbake or is. Oh, looks good. Looks like it's cooked very well.
This is
today.
sugar bomb.
What?
Sugar bomb.
Oh, but very nice, very tasty sugar bomb. This was a very nice place actually for having coffee. I believe it's also a great place for having a dinner or lunch. I think it's the same company what in Sanur, right? So nice, it's really nice food there in case if you're interested. We're gonna continue our stroll more into area of, I don't know what's the name of the street, but you know, where is the art market and all of this stuff. Yes, I'm YouTuber, yes, I'm YouTuber. What would you like to have from me?
What's name your channel?
TheMonkeys, like this one.
Oh, the monks. Okay,
Yeah.
I will subscribe.
Sure, yeah. What are you doing? Selling tickets
yes,
for the
selling.
dance?
Yeah.
How much is the ticket?
It's 100,000. It's a traditional dance in Bali. So
Hun-
you
100,000, yeah?
Yeah.
And you can see. How long is the dance?
For ketchup fire dance, the long show is 1 hour. And
1 hour?
For legong dance, the long show is 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Alright, 1 hour and 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Subscribe, yeah?
Yeah.
Take care. See ya. You know, everybody are happy, you know, but either way, this is the construction of the art market. I will show you already for the third time, but the construction when I was here last time wasn't like this one, so it's actually really advanced. I gonna tell you guys, they are working very fast on this market.
Yeah, just like I told you, they work like 24/7, basically.
That's nice, actually.
So yeah, I think that they're more productive when at night time, because at the afternoon probably the weather and the temperature was hot, but at night you see they're still working. Look at the people on the top here.
Oh yeah, they're working there on the top.
See,
There are
they
some
give you
guys.
thumbs up.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool. Okay, let's go. Everybody are happy as you film them in Ubud actually. And well, I believe this market gonna be looks cool. I only hope they're gonna be parking underneath as well. That will be very handy. And meanwhile, that's the stars, the shops, all of these things here you can find. Black Eye Coffee Roastery, but this one is empty actually for some reason. Nobody is inside. And that's the last shot of the construction. I'm not gonna make you bored with that, but it's actually pretty advanced.
So the thing is that I do hope that the new Ubud market will provide the underground parking. So all the cars, all the motorbikes can park there. So here, the tourists only walking here, just like in Hoi An. How beautiful will be, right?
will
So
be
people
beautiful.
will be more enjoying, you know, whenever they walk and strolling around Ubud. I do hope.
I do hope as well. There is some new cafe here also open. You can watching from the street situation, the construction of the market, and there is little bit of the empty gap. We're gonna see you where are the lights, some over there.
So as you see that now it's just like 7:30 p.m. So surround me, there are not many tourists actually walking. Supposed to be pack of people like last time, yeah, honey, yeah, even like
Supposed to be.
just hard to walk on the street like this, but
Nowadays this is the trend, as every warung selling you SIM card. I realized going to Ubud, every single one having a SIM card. And also this is interesting way of parking. As always, you know, general stuff. This is simply social. This restaurant actually is very successful and very busy. Like I remember when I was vlogging in this restaurant, I was sitting by myself literally at least 2 or 3 times. But today seems very busy. Also it's very nice with these lights and everything. And overall street situation is not so crowded actually, like it's supposed to be. You know, they have the gaps, the gaps like this one. As you can find, actually empty street for a while. Overall, you can buy so many nice dream catchers here and all the stuff. And also the bottle opener with the very interesting shape of the bottle opener. It's very popular in Bali, you know, but don't really know why. Nobody wants to explain me why, but they are having everywhere. They selling it. And well, you can find actually many accessories, bags, dresses, bags, t-shirts, and all of this stuff. This is also at the front Jalan Gutama, small street you can get inside. Are we going to Jalan Gutama today or not?
let's see.
Let's
as
see
we
a
are
little bit,
here.
yeah? Let's go to the Jalan Gutama. Last time when we were vlogging here, actually there was the very funny couple. Actually, the one guy with 9 girls from the South Africa or somewhere, I don't remember actually where. No, he was from where? Palestine? No,
No,
Israel?
Mexico?
No, I forgot already, Sorry mate if you're watching it, but I still remember that till now. Meanwhile, this is like a small street with so many small cafes, shops, like a cozy vibe. So this one is like a small street, more cozier vibe. But still motorbikes obviously are allowed here, as you can see. People, this is like a nice cafe here, so people enjoying the time. It's like a small street. So much small shops, boutiques, cafes, chocolate, raw food, vegan, nice painting inside actually here. Yeah, you can find something like this one here. Sayang, shopping again.
This is so cute.
So cute.
Hello, Mo.
It's very nice actually. If you ever ask where Winnie is buying all the dresses,
So
that
cute.
places wherever she finds something like this one. If the price is affordable, of course. What's going on, Sayang?
425.
Oh no, that's quite low. Hello, hello. 200, 200. No? Yes, no? 200 cash. 200.
200.
200. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? But 200 is the good price.
Okay.
Next time?
Next time.
Okay, let's go. Oh. The lady said 300 only for the skirt. That's
Yeah.
not good.
But in where is it in Da Nang? I paid my long dress about 200k.
But this one only skirt for 300.
It's
Next
more
time,
pricey.
next
Look at the
time.
place behind me. So
What's going on
busy.
with this place? It's busy. Check this out. Some places are busy, some places are less.
Yeah.
Happily lost in paradise.
Yeah.
Nice place for ice cream, I guess. And yeah, that's the Jalan Gutama for everyone interested. Here you have a very nice bags actually. Beautiful, beautiful. Sayang, you have already enough bags, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing that I realized, shopping in Vietnam is much more cheaper in terms of food, shopping clothes.
What I can say? I don't know.
No, I already speak like, when we off the camera, I say it in Balinese language, but still 300k for
She was
the small-
Balinese, this lovely
Yeah.
lady, and still 300? That's not good, lah.
Let's go.
Speaking Balinese is useless nowadays. No one gives you a benefit.
No.
That's not good. That's the Ubud lah.
Guys, if you've seen that so many Grab or Gojek as the online transportation, but one thing, the brand new thing in Bali is about AirAsia ride. So it means that AirAsia is not only about the plane, but now they have a land transportation. It's just like this taxi behind me, AirAsia ride. But I never try it.
We never tried yet, but I can see so many cars like this one. Check this out. AirAsia, right?
So here, the online taxis is not allowed, like Grab, GoCar, Bluebird, Maxim, something like that. But I saw the AirAsia ride.
Maybe this is still old poster. Probably they gotta print the new one. And their boys are there.